Hello viewers, so it's time to do more Passat work. So pulling things off, there's a long way to go, but yeah. My plan was to do some painting outside on my house, but sometimes it rains, sometimes the sun is shining, so I decided to go into the garage and do some Passat work. Nah. Yeah, the brakes. And you also can do it on this way. And then the other side. I have to take the handbrake cable off. Well. So, and then the other side. So, let's see if we can get this off. Yeah. easy. I have a jack under this, so it doesn't fall down when I release the shock absorber. That's impressive. I think it's got more stock when it's so old and rusty, but that's not the case. Huh. And it's time for the other side. I do like the mechanics who work on this car the last time. They got to lubricate this bolt on the shock absorber, so it's easy to get off. It's a good help. Now it's time to take this bolt out here from behind. Let's see if it... That's almost too easy. It's almost lubricated. That's very good. And then the other side, as usual. So I got all the bolts off. Then it's time to get it down. Mission complete. That's a floppy thing, but it's designed to do what it should do. It's actually looking good. A little bit of cleaning. And now I have to get the shock absorbers off. I think it's from in the boot. I have to take the rear seat out to get into the upper bolt. Yeah. Yeah, maybe another front seat will do. Do 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 do. So, and now the back seat. How are we going to take that out? Yeah. A little bit of research. All kind of tools. All the cars I've made during my time, I always found some coins in it. Let's see if we can see something here behind the seats. Ah! There's one over there. Yes, I'm lucky. $25 kind of cent. You don't see that often anymore. A quarter of a crown. Oh, there's even more. $50 øre. Half a crown. Ah. Wow, another coin. Five kroner. Well, 5.75 cents so far. And then this out. Well, I think I can get to the shock absorber bolt. No, that's not in here. It's actually in pretty good shape. So it is from the behind in the trunk. Yeah, good solid car they make at that time. Now look what I found under all this. The bolt is here. Dummy. Well, the seat shoot out anyway, so that's pretty easy. And now the other front seat. Yeah, same way, same procedure as the last one, Miss Sophie. it's actually in not so bad shape. Yeah. There have been made some rust. What's this? Oh. Driving lights. Yeah. And the other door I can't get it out of because it's standing against the wall. I can get this door off, and then now there are no wheels on, I have to make a frame of wood and wheels so I can push it around. So that's the next project. And now I'm taking the door off, and then I can't do so much anymore. Maybe peel some windows out and front defender or fender.